Hey guys, we received this top-made men's wallet with a smart tracker. So this is about the test and try. It's a genuine leather bifold wallet with the Apple Find My. It's a 13 cards high capacity with the ID window, cash slots, coin pocket, RFID blocking, and the tracker. So let me just open. So comes in a really nice gift box, as you can see, manual and everything. This is the main wallet, and the wallet is really nice, genuine leather wallet in here with this ID on the top, with this money thing. And so you can see like the feel is really nice, the soft, and this is the tracker in the back here. And this is the ID window and the card slots. Different cards you can put in here with the coins and everything. And also have this nice like the for the currency notes and the stuff. So this is a really nice bifold wallet, and I'm just connecting it to the Wi-Fi as an other item, and you can see it's searching it. Search this and you can just connect it with this. You will hear the sound. If you want to find it, just you can play the sound on it. It will start acting. This is the Wi-Fi charger, so it can charge wirelessly with this adapter. Very nice wallet with the Find My app.